nigga, period. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga.
So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I was making the video that I did for this hair. I was I'm filming it, like I'm recording it right now. Hold on. Okay, so the video that I recorded for like this hair, installing this hair, I am in the middle of recording it right now, and I am also going out, and like I just wanted to come on camera. Well, I'm not going to do like a full beat today just because I'm literally going to the movies, and because I did my hair and like I don't feel like doing my makeup because it's just like I can't be bothered. But I am going to be putting on like some lashes today. So I just wanted to come on camera just to show you guys the lashes and how I apply my false lashes. So the lashes that I am wearing today, I took them out the box. If you've seen my previous video, well, my summer spring makeup video, you'll see like how my lash box looks. But yeah, I kind of took it out of the box because I was just like, I can't be bothered right now, so I do not have the box with me, and I used it like last night or whatever. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply my false lash. So these that I'm wearing are called Vibes, and this is how they look. I did wear them already, so like that, if you see like glue on it, that's why. And the glue that I'm going to be using is the Super Stronghold Eyelash Adhesive Clear Glue, and I like this glue just because it dries very clear when it goes, and it also shows you voila. Then I just go with my fingers and I just like